Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 7th, 2016, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, we just had one piece of information come out. It was at 5:40 a.m. South African time, and that was a Japanese number. Obviously, it's a little bit harder to gauge when it's a Japanese number because it's so early in the morning. But take a look at that. But before we do, there's just so much going on in the markets right now. I mean, a big NFP number came out, very positive for the US dollar, and that has affected the Dow Jones. As you can see here, the Dow Jones is trading close to 17,000. It hit 17,000 and then just retraced right above it. So right below it, excuse me. So it's now settled at 16,962. The question is can we sustain this rally? Are we going to hold this or are we going to sell off? So that has to be seen this week. Looking at oil, oil also had a colossal week last week, breaking this 34.22 and then bouncing right above it at 36.46. So I also want to see some stability and some strength in this before we go down. So let's look at that. Looking at USDCAD, USDCAD made a major fallout after this 133. So I mean we're almost 1,300 pips from the top here. So I mean it's a major retracement on the USD-CAD. Normally was at par at 1-to-1. So this is a big correction for the US dollar versus the CAD. Looking at the EURUSD as well. Okay, we hit this 108.28 as we do, and we took it off right afterwards. We broke these three support levels, but we sustained our fourth support level, and we bounced right off of it, going to 110. So what's beautiful about this graph is, I keep on saying this, is that we're really holding to the support and resistance lines, almost to just a T. Look at that. I mean, it's just touching it and then bounce right off of it. So use these parameters. Use this 108.28 as a support level. 109.55 is a subsequent support level. Let's see if it holds this, okay, and then breaks up higher. I anticipate there will be some sort of a correction. The question is how and when. Looking at gold, gold had a colossal week as well last week. Okay, everything has been up in the markets across the board. We broke above this 1246 and we're trading at 1263 here. So that's a major number for gold, showing some strength, showing some vitality in the markets. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen, a little bit of a correction. Okay, we had this big rally last week, and now we sold off a little bit right here. Not a big day necessarily for the Japanese yen, and the news was almost nothing. But the question is where we're going to go here from the GBP. What's really disconcerting is what's going on with the exit of Britain from the EU and seeing how that will have effects on the GBP. So far, the markets don't like it. Okay, it seems like it's been a very negative association to what's going on. As you can see here, we've gone from 172 to 140 on the GBP. So the markets haven't been very positive towards it. Now the question is once it actually happens, will the dust settle and everything will correct itself? That's yet to be seen, but you could expect that as well, seeing how the markets overreact initially. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.